Hi friends, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness, pharmaceutical sciences and nutraceuticals. If you are coming for first time visiting our channel, please consider subscribing our channel, Pharmaceutical Concept. Today's topic of discussion is about how to prepare for pharma interview for freshers. It is top pharma interview Q&A, question and answers for freshers. Interview preparation guide. Tell me about yourself. This is the first question most interviewers ask. Tell me about yourself. We have to tell our name and place where we live and native place details and professional qualification and family details in short. Why do you want to work at our company? For this question we have to relate the answer with our long term goal and tell what you like about the company. What are your strengths? Hardworking, dedicated to work, optimistic, flexibility, self motivating, fast decision making, honest, supportive, team player, discipline, good communicator, and dedication. Like this, positive answers we have to give. What are your weakness? Take decision quickly and trust every very easily and workaholic. I lack confidence sometimes. So note what are you going to do to overcome this weakness? Get ready with your answers. Generally, our weakness should be optimistic. Why should we have to hire you? We have to mention about our career goals, skill related to your job, work experience, share your knowledge. Tell me what you know about the company history, revenue, progress, work culture, future growth, vision and mission. Tell them what type of products they are manufacturing and tell about their accomplishment and major milestone and tell them what type of research work is going on in their company. Study in detail about the company through their websites. What is your salary requirement? Never share your requirement in numbers. Say as per company norms. What is your short term career goal and long term career goal? This is a tricky question. We have to answer very smartly. So, we have to tell that our short term career goal is getting a job in the company, and a long term career goal as achieve more milestone in your company. Like that, it should be more positive. Finally, do you have any questions for me? Say thanks for giving the opportunity to ask the question. What will be the growth perspectives for me in this company? And how would you convey my status of interview to me? And finally, thank them with a good body language and smile and posture throughout the interview. Thanks for your time. Subscribe Pharmaceutical Concept. Like, comment, share Pharmaceutical Concept.